Yes. Jessica students, so let's prove and understand some properties of complement sets. First is complement laws. We call them complement laws. Complement laws. So let's see what are the properties. The first property is A union A complement is equal to universal set. Students, here it's worth mentioning, whenever we talk about complement of a set, we must define a universal set. So let's say we want to prove all the properties. So let's define universal set as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Right? And let's define A as 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Also, let's define B as 3, 4, 5. Okay. So now, as you see, we can see that A is a subset of U, this universal set, because 1, 2, 3, 4 members are there in U, except 5. So we can define the complement of A. Now, yes, Ishma, I want you to prove this in context to the universal set given here. A union A complement is equal to universal set. Yes, start.
Yes, sir. A set is 1, 2, 3, 4, and a complement set is 5, and their union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is equal to the universal set.
5, which is equal to universal set. Done. Beautiful. The second one, Amitabh Singh. A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash is equal to 5 set. Prove, please prove.
That as we know that A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Intersection of A complement is 5. There is nothing common between A and A intersection, so we can say that A intersection A dash is equal to 5.
Mitoj, we are making a video. Let's go step by step. A I have written. Okay, now intersection A dash. What is A dash?
5.
It is only 5. It's correct. It's set of all elements which are contained in U but not contained in A. That is 5. Now this is equal to, now there is nothing common between these two. So this is equal to 5 set. This is also proven. Beautiful. So now let's go for other laws. Other laws are known as De Morgan laws. Yes, students, these are known as De Morgan laws. All right. So let's study them also. It's De Morgan's laws. Okay. Yes, Ishma. The first law, you remember? A union B, whatever the set is there, its complement is equal to, do you remember? A complement intersection.
Intersection B complement.
Beautiful. This is the first law. And opposite to this, here there is union, so here there will be intersection.
Intersection.
A intersection B, its complement would be equal to A complement, instead of intersection now will become union B complement. Yes, yes, and Ishma, prove this slowly, step by step.
So can you 1 minute show the two sets, A and
Definitely,
B?
sure. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? Out of them, I think, Mitoj, you remember A was 1, 2,
1, 2, 3, 4.
3, 4, and B was, I think, 3, 4, 5. Right? Yeah, let me see this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. One second, let me just confirm, otherwise we'll be wrong. Uh, Yeah, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct, correct. It is correct. So, yes, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So A union B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and its complement is 5.
One second. A union B is first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How do you say this? Because A union B will take all the elements which are in A, all the elements which are in B, and also the common elements. Right? The common elements will not be repeated. That is the formula for union. It's now I want to take its complement is equal to. So first I will write A complement. What is that? Correct. A complement is 5. Intersection. What is B complement? B complement is not 1. In B complement,
1 and 2.
I will not take 3, 4, 5, 1 and 2. So let's go further. So what is the complement of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? In fact, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a universal set. So now complement of this means, all
5.
elements, see, listen carefully. You won't be able to answer. See again. This is in fact a universal set, and this is again property we are going to discuss. All the elements which are there in the universal set, ironically, a universal set is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but which are not any of the members of this set. Now this is A union B. In fact, A union B is also what universal set. So at one stance, I am saying this set, complement of this set should be having all the elements from U. In the second stance, I am saying this complete set, this set should not be having element from U. That means it is null set. Am I right? And on the other hand, what about intersection of 5 and 1, 2? Intersection means
Yeah.
something is common between this set and this set. There is nothing common. 5 is equal to 5. Hence, this is proved. Okay. Ishma, I want you to prove this one also. So this is a new learning from you. This is a new learning for you. In fact, that is the next law only. That if you have a universal set U and you take its complement, so that will be equal to complement of U would be equal to,
5.
yeah, please try to understand. Now you might say, sir, you had told that we can't find the complement of a set in case its universal set is not given. Am I right, Ishma? बट नाउ इंटरेस्टिंगली यूनिवर्सल सेट का ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाल रहे हैं. अब यूनिवर्सल सेट का यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या होगा? कैन यू टेल एनी ऑफ दीज टू स्टूडेंट्स? यूनिवर्सल सेट का यूनिवर्सल सेट क्या होगा?
सेम ही होगा.
इट इज यूनिवर्सल सेट बिकॉज यूनिवर्सल नाम ही ऐसा है. यू नो इट कैनॉट हैव it, we cannot imagine to have bigger set than universal set, right? Universal set is embodiment of all the elements. ठीक है, जिसके लिए ए या बी को डिफाइन किया जा रहा है. सो यूनिवर्सल सेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट, इट मींस it should have all the elements which belong to universal set but not belong to this universal set. So both the statements are cutting each other. That means it will not have any set. This is equal to, I'm sorry, it will not have any element. There will be a set. That set is empty set, void set, or null set. Okay. Now Ishmael, prove this one. What is this? Complement of A intersection B is equal to union of individuals intersection. And a union of individuals complement. Yes. Now A is this and B is this. Go ahead.
Yes, sir.
First you define
Sir,
A intersection B.
yes, sir. Sir, A intersection B is the common elements between A and B, which is 3 and 4. And the complement of that is 1, 2, 5.
1, 2, 5. Okay. So you have told two steps at one go. No problem. Is equal to A complement is what?
A complement is 5 and B complement is 1 and 2. So
One.
union of
Wait,
both
wait.
of them
Step by
will
step.
be
Step by step. Step by step. A complement is 5. Union B complement is set of all elements which belong to U but not belong to B. 1, 3, 4, 5 are excluded. Only 1, 2. Correct. Now you take the union of this. That is 1, 2, 5. So my left hand side and right hand side are matching. This is correct. Good. So now I will, this is better way. I should speak less. Now come students, law of double complementation. What is that? Law of double complementation. So it's a very simple, which we have already discussed. A complement and its complement is equal to, we will not state it, we will do it. Let's say universal set is 1, 2, 3. Arjinder, please do it. This is universal set. See here, A is 2, 3. Now, please define what will be complement of A. So for this, first we will find what is complement of A. What is complement of A? Complement of A is 1. Am I right? And then its complement. So that is equal to, complement of 1 is 2, 3. That is equal to A. Am I right? So that means complement of any set and its complement is equal to set itself. Done. Then comes laws of empty set and universal set. Okay. Laws of null set and universal set. What is that? Complement of null set is equal to, what does it mean, Ishma? Complement of null set, what does it mean?
all the elements which are not in the null set,
But which are there in the complement.
universal set.
That means this is equal to U. Done. What is the meaning of this, Amitoj? Complement of universal set.
That all the elements of this universal set which are not contained in that universal set, which is
Correct.
equal to 5.
That is equal to 5. So students, all the laws, properties of complement sets is done, and now we will proceed towards the exercise. So we have exercise 1.5, students. Exercise 1.5, it's your NCERT book, right? And we proceed towards simply doing the fifth question. So fifth question, first part is A union B and its complement. Second part is A intersection, A complement intersection B complement, right? Third one is A intersection B its complement, and fourth one, student, is A complement union B complement. Am I right? We want to, he is asking us to draw its Venn diagram. So students, can you help me do that?
Null set.
Yeah, students, we want to do the first one. For this, first you draw the universal set. Let's say this universal set is this whole triangle, the complete Brahman, complete universe. Okay, universe for these sets. Okay. So now we want to define two sets A and B. We want to define two sets A and B. Am I right? So now A is this, B may be this. So students, will you agree that this is the Where is A union B? Do you
This
agree that
also.
this
No, sir.
this is a Ishma, that this is A union B? This shaded portion is A union B. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now we want to take its intersection. So its intersection will be these lines. Am I right or wrong?
So not intersection, complement.
Intersection.
Yeah,
That the
yeah,
complement.
complement, not intersection. Its complement will be all the area except the area of A union B. Is it right? What is
Yes, sir.
what is A union B? Given by this, right? Then A union B, its complement is given by this right hand side shaded lines. Am I right?
A complement intersection B complement.
Intersection B complement. Am I right? So let's do this. How do we do this? Again, we will draw a Venn diagram. Let this triangle is a representation of universal